really dusty, y'all. I look so tired. So sorry. I went to a party last night and I came home late and I slept late and everything, and it was just really bad. But I didn't talk to you guys before. We're going to Puerto Rico, as you can tell from the title. And yeah, it's a family vacation. My dad, my mom, my 2 younger brothers, we all gotta go have some fun and whatnot. So we just checked in. We're about to go through security, through TSA. I'll catch up with you guys later. Y'all, this used to be a mansion. The hotel we're staying at, it used to be a mansion, and all this used to be the person's living room. That's crazy. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all the room. We got a double, what's it called, double queen or something like that. So this is the bathroom. That was the toilet. They gave us 2 robes. You're doing that all. My brothers are being annoying. Okay, I'm gonna just pretend y'all can't hear them. So this is the shower, which is really cute.
Yo, over here, over here.
And then this is my sink, and then we have what's that, lotion, shower cap, soap, and a cute little mirror. I can do my makeup. That's cute. Sorry, I just put my nose all in that. And the mirror. And then we have a mirror here. Another like full-length mirror, which is like really cute. This is my fit, by the way. This is what I wore to the airport and everything. And then we have the room. I wish we had a balcony, but we don't have a balcony. So we have all this. And they said everything here is free, right? But the Fiji water and the alcohol that you have to pay, but everything literally here is all free. And then we have the TV, and we have 2 beds. This is my bed, and then this is my brother's bed. That's what they're sharing, but I really wish we had a balcony. This is our view. It's pretty cute, I guess. The ocean's right there. We have buildings over there, and then we have more water right there. And yeah, it'll look better like daytime, so you guys are gonna see that. Oh my gosh, can this open? Oh. Okay then. I don't know if it opens or not. Okay then. And yeah. So we just ate, and I'm about to just chill, take a shower because I feel like really sticky. And just, you know, relax in the room.
You freak.
Oh my gosh. This is why I don't like my
You
brothers here.
freak.
Okay, so I'm just gonna chill, and I'll talk to you guys mañana.
Oh, she not.
Bye. Hey guys. So it's been a day since we last spoke. Yesterday we literally stayed at the hotel, didn't do anything, went to the pool. So yesterday was like a really chill day. So now it is Wednesday, and we are going ATV riding and what else are we doing? Horseback riding. That's what we're doing today, and you're gonna see all of it. So we're about to go down. Wow, my camera is fogging up. Ah! Okay, so we're about to go down and wait for the taxi to take us to the first stop. I think we're doing ATV first, so that'll be lit. Yeah, so see y'all later. I was gonna try and speak Spanish too, but I don't know that much Spanish for me to be speaking and embarrass myself with it. So later is what? Tardes? I think it's tardes, something like that. And yeah, so this is, I'm on my parents' porch right now, and this is the view. It's really cute. And then there are people like on, what are those called? They're like riding on it. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later. And when we get to the place, I'm not really sure how long it's gonna take, but about to get lit, about to have fun, and whatever. Bye. Still, they're the ones ahead of me. So this is the first stop. Everybody parked over here, and now we're taking pictures. Oh, over there. I honestly don't know if you're supposed to put leather. I don't think you're supposed to keep leather in the sun, but oh, picture time. This is the third stop, y'all. People swimming and whatnot. The guy said you could drink. The guy told me that you could drink the water because it's like natural spring water or whatever. So I went and drank the water, and now my family's yelling at me like, why am I drinking it? Bruh, I'm thirsty. He said I'm wildin'. I'm not going in the water though, because I ain't got my bathing suit or nothing. But they look like they're having fun. So we just finished ATV riding. It was mad fun. It was actually really fun. They didn't allow phones or cameras while filming. So I enjoyed it, and I was able to film like when we stopped for you guys or whatever. So now we're about to ride horses. And I don't know how to ride a horse. They usually hold the horse for you. But this time, I'm riding a horse. I don't know how to ride a horse. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Like, by myself, bro. What if one goes wild? What if one goes wild and, like, kicks me off, bro? I'm scared. Nah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get her done. I'm gonna get her done. My eyebrows still intact though. My concealer probably faded a little because nah, I'm scared. I'm watching these horses right now and I don't know what I'm doing, bro. Alright, I'm talking to you out there. Bye. Change of plans, people. I got on the horse and it started to do its own thing and I got scared and I got off. So the rest of my family is riding the horses, going on the trail, and I'm just gonna sit here for an hour and chill out because I couldn't do that horse stuff. I couldn't do it. I could not do it. And then as soon as they were about to leave, my mom's horse started like hitting the other horses next to it. I was like, that's why I'm not on it. I don't know how to control no horse, so this is not my forte, okay? So, I'm gonna talk to y'all later when we leave or like when they come back. And yeah, back to the hotel we go. They just came back, so, oh my god, my head is huge. Alright, back to the hotel we go because they just came back. And I'm about to go shower because I'm dirty. And no. Why are you walking like that? Alright, bye guys. Hey guys, so I didn't get to talk to you guys in the morning when I was getting ready and everything because I just honestly was not in the mood, but I'm in a better mood now. So we are at a zip lining place and obviously we're about to go zip lining. and I've never been, so I'm a low-key kind of scared, but you know, I'm okay. I'm gonna get through this and we gonna have some fun. So it's just me and my brother going, well, doing it because everybody else is either scared or they just don't want to do it. So we're gonna see how this plays out. Ready. Let's get her done.
You going water too?
Huh?
You going in water too?
No, but in the end, if you want, you can go take a swing.
Nah. I'm cool.
If you want,
Oh, they got lizards for it.
guys, the one of my main was the river that we have here. This is the biggest one. It's nice to swing, guys. We found this river, my main.
This is low-key worse than Cocoon. You're going back? My parents are going back. Yeah, I can't go up the hill.
That was too much? Let's go.
Alright. Yeah, this is worse than Cocoon. Because, wow, I'm really out of shape, y'all.
Oh, we knew this. Dude, we knew this.
I don't need commentary. Okay. I'll see y'all when I get to the top.
Sit down. Lay back into it. Rely on your chest. Good. That's a good. Alright. Enjoy.
Oh my god.
Guess we'll see you in a bit. Yep.
So we're back at the hotel. We just got back like, what, an hour ago or something like that. We got back and we wanted to get ready so that we could go jet skiing and whatnot. So now we're about to go jet skiing and parasailing, maybe. So the zip lining was actually not that bad. In the beginning it was type scary, but it got better. It's a fun activity. So if you guys are ever in Puerto Rico, go do that. And yeah, so we're about to leave the hotel. We just finished changing into our bathing suits and all that. So we're about to go to a beach that's like 15 minutes away from here, driving wise. And I'll see y'all later. It's dead raining. How is the sun out but it's raining? I don't understand. No entiendo. What beach are we even at? I don't even know. I'll try to tell y'all, but I'm not sure. But we're here for jet skiing, but I don't see any jet skis here. How do you say I'm lost in Spanish? I don't even know. Yo no sé. Good morning, y'all. What it do? So I didn't really get to talk to you guys in the morning because I woke up at like 5 a.m. and I had to get ready and everything, and I don't think y'all want to see me all grumpy in the morning, so I spared y'all. So right now we're at a what is this called? A dock. We're at a dock right now. We're about to go on a boat, go sailing and enjoy. You can swim in the ocean, but like I didn't really feel like it, so I didn't bring my bathing suit. So y'all gonna see other people swim because I'll film them and whatnot. And yeah, so we're just gonna be here. It's 7 something right now. It is actually, let me give you all the proper time. It's okay, can't see my phone. One second. Okay, it's 8:20. Okay, it's 8:20. So I'm not really sure what time we're leaving yet, but we're about to leave soon. And then yeah, there's all the boats behind me. So we're ready to get lit and have some fun, you know, and do what it do. Alright, I'll see you guys. I didn't bring nada, like, so I'm stuck on the boat because I don't want to get myself wet and get my clothes wet and all that. Everyone's enjoying this water. Yeah, but my brother's going on, but he just said the water's cold, so he'll like ease into it. And like my other brother's going on and my dad's going in and whatnot, so they gonna have the fun for me. But we have another boat thing tomorrow, so I'm cool. I think it's the one where the water lights up or some shit. But yeah, that's what we're doing tomorrow, and I'm gonna be prepared for that. What I can do. So we just came back from the boat sailing. It was really fun. It was mad fun. I didn't get in the water, so I didn't have that much fun. But on the boat, like, there was a lot of waves and like the water got on the boat and then water got on me or whatever. So it's like I went in the water, right? Somewhat. So came back and I was hungry and I saw this cute waffle place. I don't know if you guys can hear me right now because there's a lot of wind, but I saw a cute waffle place and I wanted to try it out. So I just got waffles with strawberries and Oreos and ooh, we got a Yankee. You guys know about Hollywood Walk of Fame thing? Oh shoot, is this over here? I already passed like a whole bunch, so they're all over there. Oh, so cool. So yeah, so I'm about to go upstairs now and shower because I have salt all over me and see what I can do today. I think I'm just gonna chill. I should have done my spa today, and it's so windy. Oh my gosh. Okay. So okay. My phone's trying to fly away. So yeah. I'll talk to you guys later. I look crazy right now, but I have to talk kind of low a little because we're at the spa. Me, my brothers, and my mom are all getting a massage right now. Or we're about to get it. And this place is mad nice. Okay, so that's the entrance. And then she said this is the shower. This is the bathroom and the sinks and everything. And there's toilets over there, but like, look how like, girl, it looks fancy. And then when you walk over here, this is the shower. Like, she said there's like all these knobs to like a different thing. I think the jets. I think these are for the jets. then there's a top one, and then there's the shower head. Then another shower, and then over here is the steam room, which I'm about to use right now. Ooh, it's nice. Okay, that works. And then this is the sauna. Yo, the heat in here is crazy. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what we're about to do. I am about to go change into my robe. And then, you wanna say hi, Mother? And then I'm gonna go enjoy myself, so BRB. I look really bright, but so I didn't get to talk to y'all again this morning. We went to the spa. What else? And then we ate, and then we had to get ready to come to this bioluminous, I think they're calling it, trip or something like that. Here you go. Sorry, we just drove 2 hours. We have another half hour to go to get to our destination, and then when we get there, I'll show you guys what we're gonna be doing and everything. I have my bathing suit on, so I'm prepared this time to go in the water and everything. But first of all, what is that? Is that a hyena? I don't think that's a hyena. Right? It looks like a dog. I don't know what it is. We're at a gas station right now. Like there's houses or whatever over there. And then there's a churches right there. Never had their food, so let's go inside the gas station. Let's see, shall we? Oh, it's a whole buffet. Acai bowls. Right now we're at a stop before we go on the boat ride or boat tour, whatever we're doing. And we're supposed to eat for like 2 hours or something like that and explore. And then we go on the boat at 6:30, he said. It is 5:47 right now. So yeah, but too much time on our hands right now. So we're just going around this little village. What's it called? La Peguera, I think, something like that. That's what we're doing right now. I'm just looking around Puerto Rico. What is it?
Caribbean Sea.
Is it? Who told you that?
The guy told me.
He said the guy, our boat person, said that the Dominican Republic is like 150 miles, wherever direction. I'm not sure what direction. Oh, hold on. we're just chilling on this little mangrove. You said it is.
Big homie here, you know what I mean? You gotta get the old fights.
Ow, my arm!
You see the old fights, man? Stop playing with me. I'm the real deal, you know. Y'all should follow my YouTube. I mean, you don't have YouTube.
You don't have a YouTube.
You know, follow me on IG, you know, Fisher Adrian, 2Rs_.
So as I was saying, we're just here relaxing a little until they give us the go sign. They give us the go sign to go to the luminous bay. And then that's where we're gonna go in water that glows in the dark and whatnot. That'll be fun. We're heading through the bay. As soon as I hear something fishy, I'm out. Okay? Fishy meaning snake or whatnot. If I hear one, I don't like nature. Look at all this water. This is what we have to go through in order to get here. Puta baila, baila. It is the last few hours, not even few hours, like we're literally packing up, getting ready to go to the airport and everything, but I just wanted to come on here. I'm acting like this is Snapchat. I just wanted to say this vacation was very chill. Like I wasn't expecting to do anything crazy, so I liked, you know, doing what we did, zip lining, what else did we do? ATV riding, all that good stuff. And it was lit. This was a nice, chill family vacation, which is what I wanted. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I'm gonna close it out here because I want to. Because I want to. Yeah, I'm gonna close it out here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this vlog, this family vacation. Can't wait to do more with my family and with the vlogging, the travel vlogs. And yeah, so I like literally did not tell you guys to subscribe. So this is the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Come on, like hit that subscribe button, join the gang, you know, all that good stuff. I probably look really sunburnt right now, and I'm sorry. Lo siento, lo siento, lo siento. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna try and really get into YouTube. Like I was doing so well during school, but like I need to like be more consistent, and I got y'all. When I get more consistent, my content's gonna be amazing, okay? Promise. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. So bye.